Hi there! I'm so happy that you clicked on my video. Welcome to Rice Cooker Baking with Life of Pang. These carrot cake oatmeal cookies are so good, you're gonna want to make double the amount. I am making this recipe vegan, so I'm using a flaxseed egg, but if you're not vegan, you can use a regular egg. Just mix this and then set it aside to thicken up. For this recipe, we'll need 1 cup of grated carrots, and that's about 1 medium carrot. My whole wheat are stone grind, so they're a little bit more chunks. That's why I'm using white wheat flour as well, but you can use all whole wheat flour. And just so you know, I do have the full written recipe and instructions in the description box below. So make sure you expand that box and check it out because I do include additional tips in there as well. If this is your first time baking in your rice cooker, make sure you watch to the end. I do have additional tips for you to be successful in baking in your rice cooker. And you just want to fold it until it's incorporated. Cover it with a plastic wrap, making sure the plastic wrap is right on top of the dough, pushing out any air. And we're gonna chill this for about 30 minutes or more. Now line your pot or cookie sheets with parchment paper. And then using a spoon or your hand, just grab an equal amount of dough and shape it into a ball. And then press it slightly onto the parchment paper. Your baking time may vary depending on the size and thickness of your cookie. And do you know what this is? Yep, I got an air fryer, so we're going to bake some in my air fryer as well. And I'm gonna put some topping on top of mine. It is optional. Now put a paper towel on top to catch condensation, and we're ready to bake. And one bake cycle is about 30 minutes, so the minute you push your cook button, go ahead and set a reminder for 30 minutes. And for our air fryer, I'm doing this outside because the air fryer just emits so much hot heat. And we're going to set the temperature for 160 degrees Celsius, and we'll bake 8 minutes on each side. After 8 minutes, and this smells really good, you guys. It feels crunchy on the outside, but underneath it's still soft. So let's turn it over. And we'll bake it for another 8 minutes. Here we are, the air fryer cookies are done. It's crispy on the outside, so we'll let that cool. And it's time for a second bake for our rice cooker ones. Keep in mind that one bake cycle is 5 to 10 minutes in high heat in the cook status, and 20 to 25 minutes in low heat in the warm status. And after 2 bake cycle, be careful, oh no! still okay. And these cookies smells really good as well. These cookies are ready. And if you wouldn't mind, please help me share this baking method with more people by clicking on that thumbs up down below, because it will help with the YouTube algorithm to recommend my video to more viewers. And if you're new here, welcome. Or if you have not subscribed, make sure that you hit the subscribe button and that notification bell. That way you know when I upload a new recipe every Saturday, okay? This is the cookie from the Sharp rice cooker, which is not very hot. And it's actually kind of soft and moist on the outside and in the inside. And then the air fryer cookies, it's crunchy on the outside and oh so soft in the middle. And then the in-house rice cooker usually tends to run hot, so we have a burnt bottom, but it didn't taste burnt. The outside is a little bit more crispy and a soft middle as well. Now if you did make my recipe, I would love to see them. You can send pictures or videos through any of the social media networks. The links are at the bottom of the description box. And these cookies are at a sweetness level of 2. You want more sweetness, so just watch more videos here and here, or binge watch my playlist right here.